Welcome back to our cabin escape. Back on site for one more week. This weekend we are going to set the last of the 16-foot walls and
then look at getting the rest of the sheathing done on the upper portion of all the walls and finish getting it all braced. Trusses did show up on Monday, so a couple days ago, so they're on site. So yeah, got to make sure everything's braced and ready to go so we can look at trusses.
Yeah, so it's just button everything up, make sure everything looks good, nice and straight and square, and ready for trusses next week. So that's our goal this weekend. Stay tuned. Here we go. So we're getting ready to set the upper pieces of plywood across the front. This has about a 26-foot reach from the ground all the way to the top. So we went into town and we rented a lift so that Dave can nail from the outside. We have our son Josh helping us lift these up into place this weekend, and hopefully we can hurry and get all of the upper panels across this side and the north side done and take this lift back before tomorrow afternoon. So since we have the lift, and it's a whole lot easier to put these on with the lift than without, we started building the headers in for each of the windows so that by the time we're done with this today, everything across the front will be completely done. So Dave's just buttoning up the sheet that we just put on. It now has headers in, so there's plenty more to nail to, which is a good thing. So. And there are the trusses. We have a total of 22 of those bad boys. So that finishes 3 sides now. We have totally got the east side done, the south side done, and the west side all done. We still have a couple headers to finish tomorrow morning, but I think we've made great progress. So here we are, morning of day 2.5. We have 6 full sheets, 2 half sheets left to place on this wall, and then all of the OSB for the exterior is done. So we're going to hurry and get that done so we can take that lovely lift back. And then the only thing left is to get all of the walls true and straight. Alright, that's it for us for this weekend. Everything is all enclosed. The OSB is all on. Everything is braced, so it is straight and true and plumb.
Yeah, we ran some string lines and double checked our level on it, so yeah, everything's good to go. We'll be back up next weekend and we'll look at some trusses, which we are very excited and kind of nervous to do, so we'll see what happens with those. So yeah. we got our lift. We got to get it taken back here in the next hour or so. So yeah, that's it for us for this weekend. And yeah,
Thanks for watching.
comment, like, and subscribe. And well, yeah, we'll see you guys next time.
Thanks.